The climate of our planet has changed through billions and millions of years.
Tonight, deadly Hurricane Matthew pummeling the central Florida coastline, already claiming at least 4 lives.
You can see just how bad it has gotten here.
Overnight, torrential downpours and wind whipping stoplights, thrashing palm trees, submerging cars on the road.
It's believed at least 1,000 people have been killed, tens of thousands of homes destroyed, and much of the country is now in desperate need of food and clean water.
And down, nothing compares to what humans are now doing to the planet during this century. The problem is that now through human interference, it seems that the planet will be warming up much, much faster than ever.